Expedition Everest is one of the most fascinating attractions in the entire world. I absolutely love this roller coaster. Back when I was a kid, I was afraid of roller coasters, but I would drool over pictures and video of this ride. And as I got older, I finally had the bravery to actually conquer the attraction. So I've been riding Expedition Everest for years now. It's hands down one of my favorite Disney attractions. Before we get started, please like this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I would greatly appreciate your support. We have over 20,000 returning viewers every single month. So if you've watched more than one video, I would greatly appreciate your support. Thank you so much. I already have a review video for this attraction on the channel, so you should check that out if you have not already. Today we're going to take a lap on the attraction together. We're going to use a POV that was shot by LMG Vids, so I'll link it right here if you'd like to watch the POV without me yapping over it. You should go subscribe to LMG Vids as well. He's my go-to for any POV for Disney or Universal parks. So you're gonna dispatch straight into a right-hand turn. Expedition Everest is one of the most scenic attractions that Disney has ever designed. Like, just look at the landscaping, and then this first lift hill is gonna have an absolutely spectacular view of the mountainous structure that they designed. This was the most expensive roller coaster ever built when it opened, and it held that title for a long time. I love watching that train drop. That interval lines up a lot of the time, and watching the waterfalls as well is also really, really pretty. I love this brief little sequence where you're just kind of roaming through the nature of Animal Kingdom. Like, again, it's very well landscaped before you line up for the second lift hill, which is the longest lift hill on the attraction. It's going to take you through two of these structures. This first one has a nice, like, mural of the Yeti right there. That's probably the wrong word, but whatever. And then this bridge sequence has a great view of Animal Kingdom on your right, and you can see a few of the Walt Disney World parks on your left-hand side, and that'll lead you to the top of the mountain structure. This valley is pretty cool. It's like unreal how much detail is in that rock work. And then this is probably one of the most iconic visuals in all of theme park history. It's absolutely incredible. I was fascinated with this section as a kid. That bird on a stick is working in this POV. I think I've only seen that work like once, and I've been on Expedition Everest at least 10 times over the years. So this switchback is switching behind you, and eventually you're going to start going backwards. The structure with the ripped up track is really a visual spectacle, and then we're going to start moving backwards. This section is really dark right here. Aside from the lighting right there, it really bothers me that you can see like the actual structure for the attraction. I wish it was just pitch black like how it is right now. There's actually like a really intense helix in there. And then that'll lead you to this projection sequence with the Yeti ripping up some more track. When you're in the front row, you're way closer to this projection than when you're in the back. It's like kind of an insane difference. And while this is happening, the track switch is happening in front of you this time. And right as the projection sequence ends, if the timing works out, you should roll straight forward into that drop. This is where it takes your ride photo, and this is the biggest drop on the attraction, which is really, really fun. It might be a little shaky in this valley right there, and this moment is a lot like a twisted airtime hill, which is pretty cool. And then this drop, you take a good amount of speed here. You're getting a good amount of speed. And then this is where some positive G-forces kick in, especially right here because the helix like tightens as you pull up back into the mountain. And this is where you're going to have a great view of that Yeti animatronic, which is no longer an animatronic. It's more of a figure. When you're in the front row, you don't know how you're going to pass him, so it's honestly kind of terrifying because you can barely see it. And the flashing light really is a convincing illusion. Like, it looks like he's moving, or you can't see that he's not moving, so it's just like, it's a little scary, you know, because it's just like, how are we gonna go by him, because you can't see a thing aside from the flashing light on the actual figure. So that's really cool. And that is Expedition Everest, which is one of the greatest attractions that Disney has ever designed. Thank you so much for watching this commentary video. Thank you for listening. Please like this video. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this attraction. And of course, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and I will catch you later.